If you work in manufacturing, the next 90 seconds could change the way you work for good, whether you make cakes or cars. Keeping your production line up and running is critical to your business. That's a lot of people and parts to keep moving. Currently, when things go wrong, you rely on having the right people with the right knowledge in place to understand, schedule, and manage the repair. It's a process that takes expertise and considerable administration, money, and time.
Autoagility is a new, completely revolutionary way of managing workflow in your organisation. It has the power to change the way you work forever.
What it allows an organisation to do is to automatically schedule maintenance work and jobs without any human intervention.
Let us show you. Your production lines are busily making your product. Everything is good until the motor has overheated on the conveyor. Meet Bob. He is the operative on the production line. Bob logs the breakdown in Agility using a self-service terminal. The Autoagility help desk prompts Bob with a few questions, his response driving the next question, to ensure all the key information is captured. So now, Autoagility can find the best person to complete the work. Autoagility examines the possibilities. There are 5 engineers on shift. Alan is working on a breakdown on production line C in Building 2. George the apprentice doesn't have the skills. Matt is on first aid training today. Jan and Lee are available. Agility tries to allocate the work, but Lee does not respond to the alert on his mobile as he is busy resolving an issue with a contractor. So, Autoagility reallocates the work to Jan, who accepts the work. And she has all the details of the history of repairs and spares that she needs to get the job done. The job is completed. The production line is up and running just by using Bob, Jan, and Autoagility.
I really can't overstate how important Autoagility is to our industry. And it's just the start. I really think in 5 years' time, we'll be looking back and wondering how we ever managed without it.
For more information, ask about Autoagility today. Autoagility, working behind the scenes.